Tired of wrestling with payroll data entry and syncing it with your accounting software? Well, today, we're simplifying your life by showing you exactly how to integrate Gusto Payroll with Xero for a smoother, more accurate bookkeeping experience. First, log into your Gusto account. Once you're in, navigate to the app directory typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard, or in your account settings, click on it to find available integrations. Now, in the app directory, search for Xero. You should see the Xero integration appear. Click on the Xero icon to learn more about connecting the two platforms. On the Xero integration page, you will find a Connect or Install button. Click this button to begin the integration process. Clicking Connect redirects you to a Xero login page. Enter your Xero username and password to securely log into your Xero account. Next, Xero will ask you to authorize Gusto to access the relevant data within your Xero account. Carefully review the permissions and click Allow Access to proceed. Now for the crucial step, account mapping. Gusto prompts you to map your payroll expense accounts to the corresponding accounts in Xero. For example, map your salary expense account in Gusto to your wages expense account in Xero. Ensure each payroll item has a matching Xero account to avoid errors. Once you've mapped all the accounts, you'll see a confirmation message that the integration is successful and that your payroll data from Gusto will now automatically sync with Xero after each payroll run. Finally, check your Xero account after your next payroll run to ensure the data is flowing correctly. Review the transactions to ensure they're categorized properly. Integrating Gusto and Xero is a game changer for accuracy and efficiency. Happy bookkeeping!